Plato, a name etched deep into the history of philosophy. Born in 429 BC and died in 347 BC, Plato was a classical Greek philosopher and a devoted student of Socrates. His ideas still influence how we think, teach, and govern even today. Plato believed that education is the key to building a just society. In his ideal republic, only the most capable minds should lead, and education must guide individuals from childhood to wisdom. He divided education into several important stages. Let's explore them one by one. Stage 1. Pre-education. Plato believed that education should not begin before the age of 7. Instead, children should spend their early years with their parents and elders, learning morals, values, and discipline. During this time, boys and girls could play together. But Plato believed they should eventually be separated to focus on personal development. Stage 2. Elementary education, age 7 to 17. From age 7 to 17, children entered elementary education. Boys learned with boys, girls with girls. This stage focused on reading and writing, poetry and music, basic mathematics, physical education, literature, and moral stories. Plato saw this stage as crucial for building both the body and the mind. Stage 3. Military training, age 18 to 20. At age 18, boys underwent 2 years of military training. Why? Because Plato believed physical strength and courage were just as important as wisdom. This training developed discipline, teamwork, a real-life experience on the battlefield. By age 20, young men were expected to be physically fit and mentally prepared for challenges. Stage 4. Higher education, age 20 to 35. From age 20 to 35. Only the brightest individuals continued their studies. Subjects included advanced mathematics, philosophy, astronomy, logic, and ethics. At this level, Plato emphasized the study of dialectics, the art of reasoning through deep conversation and argument. He believed education at this stage should help students uncover truth through reflection and dialogue. Stage 5. Ruler or philosopher. Age 35 to 50, between the ages of 35 and 50. Individuals were ready to serve society. They had trained their bodies, sharpened their minds, and developed their character. Now, they were prepared to lead armies, hold political offices, guide communities with wisdom. These individuals were known as Philosopher-Kings, the true rulers in Plato's ideal society. Stage 6. Final stage after 50. At the age of 50 and beyond, a person had seen life from every angle. This was the time to apply everything they had learned, to make fair decisions, and ensure the well-being of the people. According to Plato, this final stage was where true wisdom was finally put into action. Conclusion: Plato's system of education wasn't just about careers. It was about creating better human beings. He believed only those who are morally sound, intellectually wise, and physically disciplined should lead society toward justice and truth. Even today, Plato's ideas remind us that education is not only about learning facts. It's about building character, unlocking potential, and serving the greater good. Thanks for watching my video. Like it, comments, share, and subscribe the channel.